Hello everyone, Molly House, a very unique board game. In early 18th century in London, long before the term LGBTQ+, existed a hidden community known as mollies, men who gathered in secret to express gender freedom. Molly houses were clandestine places, like taverns and private rooms, where this underground culture lived and held secret festivities, basically sexy parties where gin flow freely. In the Molly House board game, players take on the role of mollies, with the objective to accumulate joy while building reputation within the community and protecting from exposure. The higher the reputation, the faster gossip spreads. If enough evidence build up, the police will raid the Molly house, and player may face severe penalization from incarceration to death sentence. One last thing before to dive into the unboxing. It is important to understand that this is a game that rewards cooperative play as well as individual scoring. In fact, there are situations where neither player wins. Okay, it's time to open the box. The game board we will open later. The rules of play. At the front there is a bit of a background. It's a colorful book. Components, setup, general rules. Okay, seems not too long and easy to read. Here then, the rookery. This is an additional manual for play solo, and these are the helper cards. This is the set of the game markers, the player board for encounter token, colorful, multiplier, token to mark if a house has been raided, and other stuff. There are 5, because the game can be played up to 5 players. The markers are printed on both sides. Each player has a different color. They are early 18th century themed. Then, what we have here, the pawn, colorful pawn, and here we have other markers and tracker. Now the pawn, they look like the chess game pawn, different color for different player, same color as the dashboard. Then here some small card. Now we open it. On the back is written items. This one look like punishment. Items. Here we have another deck of cards with the white back. These cards don't look all the same. Probably these are the cards for play solo. And this one maybe are other helper card. Here another deck, bigger. This one should be the vice cards. On the manual is reported they are 52. This one on top maybe is an helper card, and the back of the vice card is black to distinguish to the other cards. Let's look on the front of the card. They don't look all the same. Some are vices. This one with number and scores, different color, blue, yellow, each vice card report the value and amount of joy it gives. And then this guy with the X. And these are dice. We have D10, D6, and pinky dice, 2 pinky dice. And here we have some cube, 4 colors, like the molly house, because there are 4 molly houses in the game. And the cube represents the reputation of the player in each house. And here we have a playmat. It's like a mouse pad. Here it is. Okay, let's recap what we have inside the box. Draw markers, encounter markers, dangerous cruise marker, multiplier, player dashboard, and here the vice card, which are the most important item of this game. There are 3 kinds of vice card. There are desire, queens and jack, and threat. They represent basically the police. And they must be shuffled all together. These are the cards for the solo gaming, and this one are helper cards. Then we have these small cards. They have different color, black, dark red, and red. On the back is written item, minor indictment, and major indictment. So actually there are 3 decks of cards. And as last, we have the game board, the pawn, the joy marker, and the dice. And here, all the content of the box all together. That's all for today. If you enjoy, give a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Ciao!